One of the things that everybody always talks about with Google Docs is how quick and easy it is to edit online. So I'd like to show you in today's video how you can actually do that through Microsoft. Hi, I'm Michelle, a computer coach here sharing tips and tricks on your everyday software to make life that little bit easier. So here I am in Word, which I'm going to use as my example, and I've just got some text to play around with. What I'm actually going to do is on the ribbon to the right hand side you can see we've got comments, but then we've got the option editing, and this is the trick in Office Online. As you click on there, it actually gives you three commands. We're not going to worry about the last one at the moment, but three main commands. So editing is that you or anybody who has permission can come in and basically work on the file. You've then got reviewing, which I'm going to come back to in just a moment, but you've also got view. So again, depending on what you prefer or what permissions that you've set up to share it, viewing means that it's read only. But if we go into reviewing, this middle option, it actually automatically switches on track changes, and it's going to be, you can see comments, although it's right on screen all the time, it's got the review tab enabled, and that's already set up for us. So now as I start typing, you can see it's actually got the track changes automatically switched on for me. I can select text and I can change it. So if I just choose a single word, make that, you can see everything's actually switched on for me. If I now want to make a comment, I can simply select the option, and I need to remember to click new. I've been caught out with this once or twice before, so click new, and now I can make a comment. So should this be focus or something else? And if you want a useful trick, you've got Control and Enter to post if you don't want to just click on there. So if I just do on the keyboard Control and Enter, you can see the comments been posted. Now when I'm done, I can work my way through the entire document making my comments. When I'm done, I can come back to the reviewing option now and return back to either editing or to view to return back to how I would normally work. And you can see my comment, because I've just closed the comments pane, is now right on screen. So a really quick and easy way to work through it. For an additional little tip, if I actually switch to Excel, I've got the exact same button in green, and again if I go to PowerPoint, I've got the button. So the editing, the reviewing, the track changes is actually standard across the whole of the online platform, just a single click away from you. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, it really does help the channel, and remember to subscribe and click that notification bell to be told as new videos are released. And I will see you in the next video.